It's very bad, sad, and alarming because the people who we see, in quotes, that are doing it now are not even compared to the numbers that are doing it and hiding. Mhm. That's it. It's very bad because uh, it affects the rich, it affects the poor, it affects. Drug use is just one of those issues that brings a level playing field for everybody. Rich men, children, they suffer the same thing. Poor man, pikin, they suffer the same thing. Is that thing that can climb over your wall, no matter how high you build the wall to protect your children. It can climb over those walls and enter inside your house. And it has eaten very deep in the sense that people are ashamed to talk about it. That's one. People are people have used spiritual description to give issue of drug use. People have given different interpretation to it. But one of the things that we know and from our work and from evidence base that I have revealed is that issue of drug abuse is a health issue. And that is how it should be addressed. It should not be addressed as a social issue alone.